Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about a very common question that many candidates have. When will I get my TCS joining letter after receiving the offer letter? If you are someone who is checking your email again and again, refreshing the portal daily and still not seeing any update, then this video is exactly for you. First, let's understand one important thing. Getting an offer letter doesn't mean your joining is immediate. The offer letter only confirms that you have been selected. Your actual joining depends on the multiple processes happening in the background. Now you might be thinking, what is the causing the delay? After the offer letter received, several backend processes takes place. Your background verification is done, your documents are verified, internal setup like employee ID and onboarding planning happens, training batches and locations are decided. Most importantly, everything depends on the company's requirement and project needs. So because of all of this, there is always a gap between an offer letter and a joining letter. So now let's talk about what you should do during this waiting period. This is the most important phase because how you use this time will directly affect your future in the company. There are three key things you should focus on. First, upload all your documents properly on the portal. Make sure every document is clear, correct, and uploaded in the required format. Do not rush these steps or upload incomplete information because if there is any mistake or missing detail, your verification process can get delayed and that can indirectly delay your joining. So double check everything before submitting. Second one is complete all assigned courses on the learning platform. You will be given access to the learning platform where certain courses are mandatory. Don't ignore them or keep them pending. Complete all the modules step by step because this is actually preparing you for your initial training after joining. If you finish this early, your learning phase inside the company becomes much easier and less stressful. Third one is prepare for the upgradation exam if you are eligible. If you have received an offer under a specific category, you might get a chance to upgrade your role through an exam. Take this seriously and start preparing as early as possible. This is a great opportunity to move to a better role with a better benefits. And one important thing you need to understand is attempting the upgradation exam will not delay your joining. So don't miss it. If you get the chance, definitely attempt it. So instead of just waiting and worrying, focus on these three areas. This will not only keep you productive but also give you a strong advantage when you actually joining begins. Now coming to the most important part, the timeline. There is no fixed timeline but generally it falls in three categories. In some cases candidates get in 1 to 2 months. For most candidates it takes around 3 to 4 months. In some situations it may go up to 6 months or more. So the joining completely depends on when the company needs resources. Now let's quickly look at some common mistakes you should avoid. Don't send repeated emails to the HR. Don't panic and assume your offer is cancelled. Don't keep waiting blindly without backup options. Don't stress yourself unnecessarily. Instead, use this time in a smart way. Improve your coding and problem solving skills. Learn or strengthen a programming language like full Java or a Python. Build your confidence so that training becomes easy later. So finally, let me give one important reassurance. If you have received an offer letter, your joining will happen. Delays are normal and they are the part of the process. You just need to stay patient and prepared. That's all for this today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best for your journey ahead and I will see you in the next video.